Welcome to the Emerald Isle of the Caribbean, a hidden gem nested in the blue waters with vibrant culture, rich history, and stunning landscape. This is Montserrat, a paradise waiting to be explored. Are you ready? Montserrat is a small island located in the Caribbean Sea. It is part of the Lesser Antilles chain of islands. It lies south of St Kitts Nevis, southwest of Antigua and Barbuda. The island is approximately 16 kilometers long and 11 kilometers wide, with a total area of 102 square kilometers. Let's begin our journey by looking at the symbolism behind the flag. This vibrant blue represents the Caribbean Sea, and the Union Jack stands as a testament to its British heritage. Coat of arms proudly portrays a woman dressed in traditional garb holding a cross and harp, symbolizing faith and cultural identity.
Geography.
Montserrat is a volcanic island. Soufrière Hills volcano is still active, and it had a devastating eruption in 1997 and destroyed the capital city of Plymouth. Today, Plymouth lies abandoned and buried beneath the layers of volcanic ash and lava, offering a glimpse into the destructive power of nature. Southern half of this small island was declared an exclusion zone because of the potential eruption. Montserrat's diverse geography include lush greenery, rolling hills, and stunning coastal vistas. It earned a nickname as Emerald Isle of the Caribbean for its lush green landscape, featuring unique blend of tropical rainforest and rugged terrains, providing adventurers with abundance of natural wonders to explore. It is home to several beautiful beaches including Rendezvous Bay, Woodlands Beach, and Little Bay. These beaches offer pristine white sand beaches and crystal clear water. The island enjoys pleasant tropical maritime climate with warm temperatures and high humidity, with the wet and dry seasons. The average annual temperature ranges between 25 to 28 degrees Celsius. The dry season falls between December and May, wet seasons between June and November. August to October is a peak season for hurricane.
History.
Arawak and Carib people were living on the island when the European came across this island. Christopher Columbus sighted the island during his second voyage to the Americas in 1493. English settlers established their first permanent European settlement in the 1600s, and the island became a British colony and a center for sugar plantation, with enslaved Africans brought to work in the sugar plantation. In 1666, French briefly occupied the island, but British took control and restored very shortly. In the 17th and 18th century, Montserrat thrived as a major producer of sugar, with plantation covering much of the island. Then, key lime plantation started, and during the peak, the island produced over 100 gallons of this juice every year. In 1834, slavery was abolished throughout the British Empire, leading significant changes in Montserrat society and economy. The economy declined because there is no slaves to work. From the 1660s, Montserrat began to assert greater autonomy and self-governance with British colonial framework. In 1997, Montserrat was devastated by the volcanic eruption and destroyed the capital Plymouth, and they evacuated large part of the island. About 8,000 people immigrated to abroad, mainly to United Kingdom and United States. Montserrat continued to recover and rebuild in the aftermath of the volcanic eruption. The effort focused on economic diversification and sustainable development, A new capital city, Little Bay, is being built in the northern part of the island.
People and culture.
Montserrat has a relatively small population, about 5 to 6,000, mainly African descent, with significant number of people from Irish and British ancestry, reflecting the island's history of African slavery and European colonization. English is the official language. Some speak Montserrat Creole, a dialect similar to Leeward Caribbean Creole. Historically, Irish was spoken, but not after the immigration and volcanic eruption immigration. Most of them left. The main religion is Christianity, mainly Protestant. Montserrat culture is rich in music and dance, with influence from African, Irish and Caribbean traditions. Calypso, soca, reggae are popular. Vibrant street festivals and parade showcases the island rhythm and beat, and a lively dance performance. The cuisine reflects a fusion of African, Caribbean and European influences. Local dishes include goat water, a spicy goat meat stew, seafood dishes, and tropical fruits like mangoes and guavas. Despite facing challenges such as volcanic eruptions and economic hardship, people of the island are remarkably resilient and strong in sense of community. The resilience is reflected in the island's culture expression, which emphasizes solidarity, perseverance, and celebration of life in the face of adversity. Overall, Montserrat's demography and culture are shaped by its diverse population, rich history, and unique blend of African, Irish, and Caribbean influences, creating a vibrant tapestry of tradition, music, cuisine, and community spirit.
Economy.
The economy is relatively small, relies heavily on few key sectors, including tourism, agriculture, and services. The island has limited natural resources and faces challenges such as impact of volcanic eruption and limited land for agriculture production. However, efforts are being made to diversify the economy and promote sustainable development. Tourism is a key contributor, attracting visitors to the island with pristine beaches, cultural attraction, and natural beauty. Services sector include few different sectors, including finance, real estate, construction, and government services. Montserrat relies heavily on imports to meet domestic consumption, including food, fuel, machinery, consumer goods, and so on, which come primarily from United Kingdom and the United States, as well as other Caribbean islands. As you would expect, the export sector is very small. Key export commodities include agricultural products such as lime, cattle, and vegetables, as well as handcraft and souvenirs and so on. This is it for Montserrat. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new. Despite the challenges, the people of Montserrat have risen from the ashes and rebuilding their homes and communities with unwavering determination. You can help but marvel at the warmth and hospitality of its people. Every corner of the island exudes sense of belonging and friendship. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thank you. Bye.